Hello, everybody, and we are back with another one of our critical vocabularies. So, this is for the week of November 16th through the 20th. So, let us go ahead and get started with our first day. So, our first word that we have is dignified. Now, I'd like y'all to take a moment and think what dignified might mean. Dignified. If you are dignified, you act in a normal way that is formal, calm, and proper. This used in a sentence is, the colonel acted in a dignified manner when speaking to the group about veterans and the importance of the military. So since he was talking about something that was important, like the military or even about veterans, he did it in a very formal and a proper way. So now moving on to our next word, which is stunned. So take a moment and think what stunned might mean. Stunned. If you are stunned, you're shocked or amazed by something. This used in a sentence is, Miss Harrison's class was stunned at the end of the movie, meaning that the end could have been surprising or you didn't expect it to happen, so you were shocked and amazed by what happened at the end of the movie. So our next word is polished. So I'd like y'all to stop and think what polished might mean for a second. Polished. A performance that is polished is given with great skill and no mistakes. An example used in a sentence is, all of Zayden's practice paid off when he gave a polished figure skating performance, meaning since he practiced so much that he didn't make any mistakes and he put on an amazing and great performance. Now our last word of the day is regretted. So take a moment and think what regretted might mean. Regretted. If you regretted something, you felt sorry about it and wished you hadn't done it. An example used in a sentence is, Emma regretted letting her dog play with the stuffed animal. Now, the dog might have ripped up and tore up the stuffed animal that she loved so much, so she felt sorry that she gave her stuffed animal away to her dog and wished she hadn't done it. So these have been our critical vocabulary words so far. Come back tomorrow for about 4 more. And whenever you get the chance, please take the time to look over these words and study them as much as you can so that we all can do very well on our next vocabulary quiz. Have a good rest of your day.